Weekly volume chart, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX looks at all your activities from this week and classifies each one by intensity. Easy, tempo, threshold tempo types, interval speed types, or long, 15 km or more. Each run is shown individually so you can see how your training sessions are distributed across the week. A bar chart showing your running volume for the current week. Each individual run is its own bar, colored by intensity. Green for easy, blue for tempo, purple for interval, and pink for long. The backend classifies each run by its activity type label. Runs labeled tempo or threshold are classified as tempo. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.